Hello friends, welcome to What a Hairstyle. Before we begin, please like, share and subscribe so you never miss fresh hair ideas. Today we show short hairstyles with bangs that look great on women over 50. These styles are easy, fun and make you feel young. Get your cup of tea, sit back and enjoy this quick style tour that you can take to your next salon visit very soon. Short hair with bangs can brighten the face, soften lines and save morning time. A neat pixie, a classy bob, or a light shag all lift the cheeks and open the eyes while hiding forehead wrinkles. Bangs also draw attention to your smile and glasses. Short cuts dry fast and use less product so they fit busy days. Let us explore how each cut brings out your best features today. First, the playful pixie with side-swept bangs. This style is super short around the neck and ears but leaves gentle layers on top for volume. Sweep the bangs to one side to soften the forehead and frame the eyes. Use a small dab of light mousse, blow fingers through, and you are done in 5 minutes. The pixie suits straight, wavy, or thin hair and gives an instant youthful spark. Next, meet the timeless chin-length bob with soft bangs. The clean line of the cut hugs the jaw, giving a smooth edge that flatters most face shapes. Ask your stylist for feathered bangs that skim the eyebrows for a curtain effect. This bob works great with fine hair because the blunt ends create fullness. A quick blow-dry with a round brush adds bounce, making the hair look thick and healthy. If you love texture, try a short shag with wispy bangs. Layers move in every direction, adding lift to the crown and making thin hair appear fuller. The jagged bangs blend into the sides, hiding forehead lines while keeping the look modern. Scrunch in a light curl cream and air dry for an effortless finish. The shag is perfect for women who enjoy a relaxed, artsy vibe without hard styling rules. Choosing the right bang shape matters. Side bangs narrow a wide forehead, curtain bangs balance a long face, and baby bangs give edge to petite features. If you wear glasses, ask for bangs that sit just above the frame so they do not poke your lenses. Always start longer, you can trim smaller later. A good stylist will snip small pieces and check how the fringe falls before cutting more. Short hair does need regular trims about every 6 weeks to keep lines sharp and bangs out of your eyes. Use a gentle shampoo made from mature hair and a light conditioner on the ends only. When blow drying, direct air downward to reduce frizz. Finish with a pea-sized drop of shine serum on your fingers and glide over the bangs. This routine keeps hair glossy without weighing it down too. Let's quickly recap. Pixie, bob, and shag cuts with bangs bring lift, hide lines, and speed styling for women over 50. Pick the bang shape that suits your face, trim often, and use light products for shine. Add soft color for extra glow. Show your stylist these ideas and feel confident walking out of the salon. Thanks for watching What a Hairstyle, and remember to like, share, and subscribe again.